This is the unboxing of the Hallomall. That's the name of the company, Hallomall. NFC Bluetooth Sport Stereo Headset. These are in-ear earbuds, and they go behind your head. And this is just the unboxing. You see all the features they have there. Bluetooth 4.0, NFC function, voice command for dialing. You can switch between your mobile phone and headset, music play operating, LED indicator. They are also have dust protection and moisture protection, so they're sweat proof and splash resistant. So that's kind of a cool feature. This is the box they come in, so let's open this up. And there they are. One of the things that attracted me to these right away were the design. Instead of that standard round design that most have, it has kind of a cool triangular design. Very neat. Let's pull these out. And there they are. You can see they have the design where the wire goes behind your ear and this goes behind your head. Very, very lightweight. The earbuds themselves are in-ear earbuds, as you can see. Another thing I liked is that these have separate buttons for controlling the volume or controlling next and previous. Instead of trying to use the same buttons for all of that, you have separate buttons. So you just go to one ear for volume and you go to the other ear for next. And then you also have your multi-function button there. And then here's the charging port. And this is the headset that has an NFC built into it as well. Let's see what else comes in that box. Looks like there's stuff in here. Okay, you have your charging cable that comes with it in case you need an extra micro USB cable to do that. Although you can charge it with the ones that you might already have for your phone. Looks like you have additional earbuds. Let's get this open. So yeah, these are different covers for the earbuds, different sizes, so you can find the size that works best for you. There's a smaller one and a bigger one. So you find the one that works for you. And there's another something in here. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's cool. These are rubber covers. So if you want to put the rubber cover over these, then you can. So that's yeah, that's a pretty cool feature as well. Let's fit over like that. Sharp. Gives it a slightly different look. I don't think you have to have those on there, but it does add even more protection for the buttons. So that would definitely make it, probably increases the sweat and waterproofness. So, or not waterproof, but water resistance. So very, very cool looking headphones.